I love milk tea. For most of my life, bubble tea was easily accessible. When I craved it, I could hop in a car or go for a walk around the block to a local bubble tea shop. But all that changed when I moved to the suburbs after college. What I could not have, I had to create. Today, I am sharing with you how to make the best milk tea in the world, in the comfort of your own home. As the name suggests, all you need is milk, tea, and a sweet syrup. Let's start with the technique. The key to a remarkable milk tea is maximizing flavor, so we'll start by brewing a teaspresso. Place 3 tea bags, or 7.5 grams, 3 teaspoons of tea, flat in a saucepan with a half cup or 113 grams of hot water. Cover with a lid and bring to a boil. Then reduce the heat to low and simmer for 10 minutes. The lid is important as it allows us to control evaporation to guarantee the amount of tea we are left with. Be patient and simmer for the whole 10 minutes. This ensures that we are extracting every ounce of flavor from the dried tea. Once the 10 minutes are up, turn off the heat and squeeze as much liquid as you can from the tea bags and discard them. Now let's add the sweetener. Add 22 grams or 1.5 tablespoons of a sweet syrup of your choice to the hot teaspresso and stir till fully dissolved. It's best to add the sweetener when the tea is still hot, that way it dissolves quickly and easily. Last but not least, add the milk. For cold milk tea, you can go ahead and serve it at this point. To make it hot, heat in a saucepan until your desired temperature, then serve. You may have noticed by now that I haven't mentioned what type of tea, milk, or sweetener to use. That's because the best milk tea in the world is actually the milk tea custom tailored to your taste buds. Try out this recipe with your favorite ingredients. Anything from Earl Grey, jasmine, Darjeeling, Assam. You can use whole milk, 2%, lactose-free almond milk. And you can sweeten with simple syrup, honey, maple syrup, agave. Let your creativity loose and bring to life the milk tea of your dreams. Here are 3 combinations to inspire you. Classic iced Earl Grey honey milk tea. All you need is Earl Grey tea, lactose-free whole milk, and a floral honey. This milk tea gives English garden vibes through the bergamot scent of the Earl Grey tea, paired with the creamy, gentle sweetness of the lactose-free milk and floral, warm notes of the honey. This is my go-to combination with ingredients I always have on hand. Iced lychee milk tea. For this one, I'm using a unique lychee-flavored black tea that I got from Singapore, and I'm pairing it with agave to highlight the fruitiness of the lychee flavor. This creates a refreshing milk tea, perfect to enjoy during the warm summer months. To give you a taste of just how crazy you can go, the last combo I want to share with you is a salted maple hojicha latte. This one is made from hojicha, milk, maple syrup, and salt. The maple syrup brings out the caramel aspect of the hojicha, and the salt adds depth to the otherwise flat sweetness. This one is perfect on a cool autumn day and tastes amazing iced as well. What's your favorite milk tea flavor? What milk tea flavor would you like to create? Let me know in the comment section below.